Are you someone who loves to explore the world, but your wallet doesn't quite match your wanderlust? If this resonates with you, then you're in the right place. The challenge of budget travel is a common one, and it's often a game of strategy, especially when it comes to packing. The need to pack light and efficiently is a crucial aspect of budget travel. You don't want to be lugging around a massive suitcase that costs a fortune to check in at the airport, but at the same time, you want to ensure you have all the essentials for your trip. You need to be prepared for different weather conditions, unexpected adventures, or even a quick change of plans. This balancing act between packing light and being ready for anything is a skill that every budget traveler needs to master. So how do we strike a balance between packing light and being prepared for our travels? Let's dive in. To travel light and smart, it's important to focus on essential items. One key aspect of this is versatile clothing. When backpacking, you want to be prepared for various weather conditions without overpacking. A great way to achieve this is by packing clothing that can be worn in multiple ways or in different climates. Consider packing a lightweight, waterproof jacket that can also serve as a windbreaker. This jacket will be your best friend in unpredictable weather, and it's compact enough to take up minimal space in your backpack. Pair this with a couple of breathable, quick-drying shirts and a pair of convertible pants that can double as shorts, and you've got a versatile wardrobe ready to tackle any adventure. Now, let's talk about toiletries. In the world of budget travel, compact toiletries are a godsend. Not only do they save you space, but they also help you avoid the unnecessary expense of buying travel-sized items at your destination. Instead of packing full-size products, opt for travel-sized toiletries or even solid bars of soap and shampoo. These items are more environmentally friendly, last longer, and are airplane carry-on approved. While we're on the topic of saving space and money, let's not forget about multi-purpose gear. These are items that can serve more than one purpose, thereby reducing the number of things you need to pack. A prime example of this is a sarong, or a large scarf. It can serve as a blanket on chilly bus rides, a towel after a spontaneous dip in the ocean, a pillow on long flights, and even a makeshift bag for laundry or groceries. Another multi-purpose item to consider is a collapsible water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial when traveling, and having a reusable water bottle can save you money and reduce plastic waste. When it's empty, you can collapse it and save space in your bag. And don't forget about a good quality, compact travel towel. These towels are super absorbent, quick drying, and take up a fraction of the space of a regular towel. Plus, they can double as a blanket or a pillow in a pinch. A small first aid kit is another essential multi-purpose item. It's always smart to have basic medical supplies on hand in case of minor injuries or ailments. Include items like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. This kit can also double as a mini sewing kit by adding a couple of needles and threads, very handy for fixing any unexpected clothing mishaps. All of these are essential to pack, but there's one more item that I always bring along which has saved me space and money during my travels. Now, you might be wondering, what could possibly be the ultimate packing hack for budget travel? Well, my friends, prepare to have your minds blown. We've talked about the importance of versatility and compactness, but what if I told you there's one item that can save you not only space, but also a considerable amount of money? This ultimate hack is none other than a humble travel towel. Yes, you heard it right, a travel towel, but not just any towel, it's a microfiber travel towel. Now, you might be thinking, a towel? Seriously? But let me explain why this unassuming item is a game changer. Firstly, it's incredibly compact. A microfiber travel towel can be folded down to a fraction of the size of a regular towel, making it a perfect fit for any backpack, no matter how jam-packed. It's also super lightweight, which is a real blessing when you're hauling your life on your shoulders. Secondly, it's ultra absorbent and quick drying. This means you can use it at the beach for a quick freshen up at the airport, or even as a blanket on a chilly bus ride. And because it dries so quickly, you can pack it away soon after use without worrying about dampening your other stuff. Lastly, it's a money saver. How many times have you been charged for towel rental at hostels, or found yourself buying a towel because you forgot to pack one? With a travel towel, you can say goodbye to these unnecessary expenses. And here's a bonus tip: choose a dark coloured towel. It's more resistant to visible staining, so it'll look clean and fresh for longer. This packing hack has always been a lifesaver for me during my budget travels. It's the epitome of a multi-purpose item, offering convenience, practicality, and savings all rolled into one. So, for your next adventure, don't forget to pack your microfiber travel towel. It's the ultimate packing hack for budget travel that you never knew you needed until now. And so to recap, what are the key packing tips for budget travel? Let's run through our packing checklist one more time. Remember, the idea here isn't just to pack light, but to pack smart, enabling you to enjoy your travels without having to worry about breaking the bank. First off, we talked about the importance of clothing. Versatile items are your best friends on the road. Think about packing clothes that can be layered, mixed and matched, and worn in multiple climates. A single, sturdy pair of shoes that are comfortable for walking, but can also be dressed up for a night out is a game changer. Consider fabrics that are lightweight, quick drying, and wrinkle resistant to save space and reduce the need for laundry. Next, let's revisit toiletries. Travel size is the way to go, but remember, you can also decant your favorite products into smaller containers. This saves money and prevents waste. A solid shampoo bar and a multi-purpose soap can replace several bottles, making your bag lighter and your life easier. Don't forget about a compact first aid kit with essential medications and band-aids. We also explored the realm of multi-purpose gear. A sarong, for instance, can serve as a towel, blanket, scarf, or even a makeshift bag. A spork or a multi-tool can come in handy in countless situations. Remember, the goal is to maximize utility while minimizing space and weight. Now, onto our ultimate packing hack, compression bags. They're a lifesaver when it comes to packing light. By sucking out all the air, they reduce the volume of your clothes by up to half, leaving you more room for other essentials. Plus, they help keep your bag organized and your clothes wrinkle-free. And of course, let's not forget about the importance of a well-planned packing list. It's easy to forget things in the last-minute rush, so start your list well in advance and keep adding to it as you remember things. Lastly, remember to leave some space in your backpack for souvenirs or items you may pick up along the way. Packing to the brim might seem like a good idea initially, but it can leave you in a fix later. So there you have it, the key packing tips for budget travel. Remember, it's all about making smart choices. Choose versatility over quantity, prioritize essentials, and utilize space-saving hacks. The more thought you put into packing, the less stress you'll have on the road. And remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on experiences. By packing smart, you can be well prepared for your journey, save money, and fully immerse yourself in the adventure that awaits. Remember, the goal is to pack light, pack smart, and enjoy your travels without breaking the bank. Now that you know the secrets of packing for budget travel, I'd love to hear your tips too. We've all got our own unique ways of making a suitcase or backpack work harder for us, so let's turn this into a community of smart packers. Do you have a go-to item that's a game changer? Or perhaps a packing technique that saves you space? The comment section is all yours. While you're here, why not join our community of savvy travelers? By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of content aimed at making your travels smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable. From destination guides to travel hacks, we've got it all covered. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because the next time you're facing the challenge of packing, you'll be armed with the best tips and tricks to conquer it like a pro. Don't forget to share your own packing hacks in the comments below, and remember to subscribe for more budget travel tips. Safe travels!